There was a time when interpreters weren't just intermediaries, they were the pulse of real-time communication. Every phrase we delivered carried the weight of culture, intent, and diplomacy. We shaped conversations. We didn't just echo meaning, we created it. But inside today's interpreting booths, a shift is underway. Increasingly, professionals are being asked not to interpret, but to supervise. The voices we once shared are now filtered through machine-generated outputs. Our job? Step in only when the AI falters. Correct clean, adjust, quietly, efficiently. This practice, often marketed as AI-assisted interpretation or human-AI collaboration, promises innovation. But look deeper. What's really happening is a quiet transformation from interpreter to on-call editor, from linguistic artist to technical fixer. We're no longer leading the communication, we're patching its cracks. We're no longer trusted to shape meaning, we're tasked to salvage it. It's not interpreting, it's real-time post-editing under a new name. And here's the unsettling irony. The better we perform this invisible role, the more invisible we become. The smoother the output, the more convincing the illusion that AI works on its own. What we're seeing is not progress, it's erasure by perfection. This isn't a future scenario, it's unfolding now. Major platforms are testing this workflow, offering interpreters roles that quietly sideline their agency and artistry. The machine still needs us, but only as backup, as fallback, as ghostwriters of understanding. So the real question becomes, if the machine still depends on us, why are we being asked to disappear? If we serve without voice, without credit, without compensation, are we still interpreters, or have we become silent enablers of our own redundancy? This isn't fear-mongering, it's a call to awareness. Because the more we accept these hybrid setups without scrutiny, the more we risk becoming co-authors of our own decline. We are not placeholders, we are not error catchers, we are interpreters, and if the world still needs our intelligence, it should honor our presence. Friends, what do you think about this emerging shift in our profession? Are interpreters being sidelined, or are we evolving into something new? Drop your thoughts in the comment box below. Your perspective is essential to this conversation. And if you found this meaningful, don't forget to subscribe to the Modlingua channel for more insights on language, interpretation, and the future of global communication.